Hey, and welcome to another episode of Glue and Make. My name is Firefighter Paul, and I'm a real firefighter, and I'm at your local fire station. So if you hear the bells or my alerter goes off, I'm gonna have to skedaddle because I've got a real fire call. This episode of Glue and Make is dedicated to all the NHS superheroes. We're going to make something that you can wear on Thursday to celebrate these heroes. What are you going to need for this make? Well, first off, you're going to need some paper plates. If you haven't got any paper plates, don't worry about it. Get a piece of A4 paper, and all you need to do, get a plate and draw around that. Then you're going to need some scissors. Remember, scissors can be sharp, so always ask a grown-up. Then you're going to need some colouring in pens, or you could use some paint. Let's get on with the make. Grab one of the plates, and then all you need to do is to fold it in half. Once you fold it in half, then all you need to do is to get your black marker pen and draw a heart starting from the halfway inside the plate all the way around and back again. Then with the scissors, and make sure you ask a grown-up first, is we need to cut some bits out. So we cut along this line first. Try and do it as carefully and as neatly as you can. And then cut around the black line. Then when you open it out, you've got a heart. Then draw around this black line. Matching up with the other line. So can you see the heart now? Then all we need to do is to draw NHS on the heart. You can do whatever design you want. It's up to you. Just like that. And now we've got the fun part of colouring it in. You can use paint, but I'm going to use a felt tip. So first off, you can colour in the heart bit. Once you've coloured it in, it's time to wear it. And then all you need to do is to pull this flap a little bit further, like that, and put it on your head. I've made some more. First of all, I cut out the letters NHS, can you see? And then I coloured them in, and then I put some glitter around them. That will make it shine. And then I cut out another heart and did the same design, but put some glitter in there. You can see there's loads of different versions that you can make. Have some fun and see what ones you can come up with. There you go. I've got my hat and I'll be wearing mine on Thursday to support our NHS heroes. And there's other things you can do to support the NHS. Remember to stay indoors, and also when you do go out for your exercise, remember to stay 2 meters away from anybody that you don't live with. I know that seems a bit unfriendly, but always keep the 2 meter rule. Well, that's all we've got time for today. But I would love to see some of your makes. So why don't you take some photographs of them and send them in? You can find the email at dwfire.org.uk. Well, this is Firefighter Paul signing off. Take care and remember, keep washing them hands. Bye-bye.